Red Speaker Man here. In honor of Poppy Playtime Chapter 5, Broken Things, releasing in only 3 days from now, I wanted to make a theory video because I had quite a few theories based off of the new trailers. So let's dive in. My first theory is that the bigger bodies of the Lily Lovebraids is not actually from when the scientists performed experiments. It was from the prototype, and Lily Lovebraids is Mommy Longlegs. Hear me out. In the trailer, we see she has extremely stretchy hair. And who is one of the only other toys we see in Poppy Playtime who is stretchy? Mommy Longlegs. So, I theorize that her hair is probably made of the leftover arm that the prototype got from when he collected Mommy's corpse all the way back in Chapter 2. Also, just like Mommy, she doesn't have a nose, but that makes a lot of sense because not a lot of toys have noses in Poppy Playtime. But it still makes sense. Also, she has more of a newer, cleaner, sleek look than something that would have been made all the way back in like 1960? I don't know. It takes place like 50 years before the current day. Also, in some video I was watching, this guy, he brought up Discord messages, which I don't use Discord, but it said that is Lily going to be like Mommy because they have similar behavior? And that proves my point. Mommy's corpse and probably like leftover spare parts were used to create Lily. My second theory is about the prototype, obviously, but there's been news going around that he is a jester. I completely agree with that. He mimics voices. He's like the mimic from FNAF, at least voice-wise. And jesters are meant to be funny, and I guess like they make different voices or something. I don't know. It somewhat makes sense. And then there was that one scene or art that we saw where his arm was attached to that cuff thing, and then people linked it to a picture they saw of a jester. And I mean, that is also true, but other than that, then yeah, I don't know what else to say about that theory. The main theory I was going off was my Mommy is Lily theory, but this one I have too. I am going to be making a FNAF lore video soon because I have a lot about FNAF lore that I want to talk about, but I can't think of anything else that I'll be doing in the coming days other than that. And this like little animation I'm doing with Canva, which is, it's like an art software kind of, But other than that, I don't know what to say. Okay, bye.